Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2.2, the 3 questions written by Leo Tolstoy. Means in this lesson he brings out the importance of time. Yesterday we have seen when king announced those who are giving the answer of his 3 questions, he would give them a reward. That time he get their the king got their different responses for these 3 questions. First question he get the response to drop the advance timetable, and one should always attend to what was going on, means what was the present time, and some gave the answer means right time to it is impossible to decide the correct right time to every action. Then second question he got the response that most necessary peoples are counselors. Some said that there are priests are the most important person. Some said that doctors are important person. Some said that warriors are. And the third question he get the answers, means most important thing is science. Some said that, means some scholars said that most important thing is skill in warfare. Some said that religious worship. Like this way he get the answer of these 3 questions. And finally he was not convinced of these answers, and that's why finally he decided to meet to the hermit. Okay, to meet to the hermit. Hermit means religious person, those who alone live in the forest. Okay, means he is living alone from a society, and means he none to give the award to anyone. And now see what happened in the next. See, and means he was went to meet to the hermit in a informal dress. Okay, because hermit only spoke with the informal people, and that's why he went to there with the informal clothes, simple clothes. Okay, now see what happened next. When the king arrived, the hermit was digging the ground in front of his hut. When king was arrived, that time hermit was digging the ground in front of his hut. Means in front of his hut there was some place where he was digging. He greeted the king but went on digging. Means he welcomed to the king. Hermit welcomed to the king, but he went on digging. Again he went for digging. The hermit was frail and weak. Hermit was very frail. Frail means weak and weak. Okay, he was very weak. Means these are the synonym, frail and weak. These are the synonym words. Okay, and each time he struck the ground with the spade and turned over a little earth. And hermit, he was very weak, and each time when he struck the ground means he was unable to move. Okay, he was unable to move because he was very weak. He means he sometimes he stuck for a while. Okay, means he was unable to move, and he again with his spade he turned to over means he was digging a very little earth because he was very weak. He breathed heavily, and because of his weakness he was it was not easy to take breath, and that's why he breathed heavily. The king went over a little the king went up to him and said, and that's why king saw that he was very he worked very heavily. It was not easy to work him because hermit was very weak, and that's why king went up to him and said, I have come to you, wise hermit. And king went to him and said, I have come to you. I am coming here to meet to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. And king said to him, I am ask you to answer of my 3 questions. How can I learn to the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I most need? And to whom should I therefore pay more attention? And what affairs are the most important and need my first attention? Means uh, hermit, he does not pay attention to the king, and that's why means he was busy in his work. Hermit was busy on his work, and that's why king went near to the hermit and he asked to answer of his 3 questions, and he told his 3 questions to the hermit and said, what affairs are the most important and need my first attention? Means he said, what affairs are the next? Means he asked these 3 questions. He want these 3 answers, satisfied answers for these 3 questions. Okay. The hermit listened to the king but said nothing. Hermit, he listened whatever the king said, but he said nothing to him. Means he was not talk with king. He said nothing, any word. He just spat on his hand and resumed digging. He just spat. Spat means he pushed his arm cloth. He pushed his arm cloth. Okay, he pushed his arm cloth on his hand and resumed digging. Resume means to take pause and continue. Means he take a pause and continue to digging. The king watched in silence for a while. King was watching, means he was observed in silence. Means king was observed silently. Then feeling sorry for the hermit. After that he was feeling sorry for the hermit because hermit was very weak. He said, you are tired. Let me take the spade and work a while for you. And then he said to the hermit, means you are tired now. Let me take the spade. Means allow me to take the spade. Spade is the means digging tool. Digging tool, and work while for you. And means allow me to work for while you. Means king asked to the hermit. The hermit silently handed over the spade and sat down on the ground. And hermit silently he handed, means he gave the spade. He gave this digging tool to the king and sat down on the ground. And he sat down on the ground. Means hermit sat on the ground and he handed over the tool to the king. When he had dug 2 beds, the king stopped and repeated his question. And he, means king had dug there 2 beds. Beds means small piece of that earth. And after that king was stopped there and he repeated again his questions. The hermit again gave no answer. But hermit, he was silent. He again gave no answers to him. But rose is the past tense of rise. Okay. But he rise means but rose and stretched out his hand for the spade. Hermit, he rise up and he stretched his hand for the tool. Means he took the spade from the king's hand and said, now rest a while. And he said to king, means hermit said to the king, now rest a while and let me work a bit. And he said, now you can take the relief. I will and allow me to work a bit, means allow me to a little work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. But king did not give him the spade. He is continue to digging. Okay. Next part we will learn tomorrow. Thank you.